Looky who rolled over. She rolled over.
Yeah, I know.
We didn't see it, but we saw her rolled over. Yep. What's today's date? What's today's date? Let's see. Today, you had a doctor's appointment. And it's the 11th. April 11th. Baby rolled over all by herself. Oh, and she burped. What do you think about that, Lilybell?
Yeah.
Huh? Baby rolled over. Oh, what you eating? Easter candy?
It did bed.
Maya, you rolled over. Yes, you did. You did. You rolled over, you precious baby. What you got to say? Mama pick me up. Mama pick me up. Mama pick me up. All right. My little baby rolled over. All right, say bye-bye.